Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing a phone. It's the Honor's flagship phone. It's Honor 10, and let's have a look at the box. So this is how it looks like from the top. This is how I got it. It's Honor, the 10 is right on the top. There's Innovi Technology sticker, which is the official distributor for Pakistan. And the specs are, it's a phantom green, so I like the green better than the blue. The RAM is 4 GB and the storage is 128. That's a lot. So let's see what's inside. Of course, you have this phone. Looks great. We'll come back to this. Let's see what else is in the box. So I think it's a dual SIM phone. So they have also given obviously the pin to eject the SIM card. And inside we have, oh, there's a cover. Really nice. Let's check it out. That's pretty cool. I don't have to go anywhere. I don't have to go buy an extra cover. It's the kind of cover I use. So that's pretty cool. Like this. This on this side. They also have the USB cable. I think this one uses a C-type. Yeah, it's a C-type cable. And this is a supercharger. So it charges your phone, I think, up to 50% in 25 minutes. That's pretty cool. So I think this is what's in the box. So let's take a look at this phone now. I'm going to take it out. Wow, look at this color. So it changes every time. I've not seen this before in any other phone. It's purple, it's blue, depending on the angle, depending on the light, I think it changes color and looks really pretty. Also the shades of green, blue, purple are really nice. So I don't think I need a cover. I think that plastic cover is perfect for this. You don't need any other cover other than the transparent cover you get. And also the front, you have your screen protector. So it comes already with the screen protector. I don't think you need to leave your house to get any other accessory for this phone. It's perfect that way. It also has your power button on the right. It has your volume control on the right. So unlike a lot of other flagship phones, it has a audio jack. It also has a charging port, so they're different. They're not the same. You can charge and you can listen to music. I think that's pretty cool. And obviously your dual SIM, which is amazing because I have two SIMs, one for work, one for home, and I definitely need to carry two phones, but this solves the problem. So this is excellent. I think the camera is 24 megapixels, so it has two cameras at the back, 24 and 16 megapixels, and the front camera is also 24 megapixels. That's just everything you need in a phone. Perfect. So let's start this phone. I'm just booting it up. This is how it starts. I'm loving the screen already. It says Honor, and it took like 3-4 seconds to start. That's pretty cool. Let's have a look at the different features and software. I mean, it's pretty easy to handle. I love the colors in the background. Man, this phone looks pretty amazing for the price point and everything. This definitely beats a lot of high-end products and phones. Let's see the camera. The camera is really nice. I love the portrait mode. Can't wait to start playing with it. Excellent. Thank you guys for viewing this video. I hope you liked it, as I'm surprised by this phone. It's amazing. It offers more than I actually thought it would. It's gonna be my personal and my work phone, so I think you have a fair idea of what this phone looks like. It's perfect for the price point, and I think you guys should go out there and buy it.